All right, welcome guys. Good day. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching how to do this. How to do this? Just a few steps. So it's not going to be a long video. So quick one. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe, and let's go into it. So I want to start from the beginning. So I start by using a YouTube channel banner size, which is this. So I'm just going to import the template I use. So this is the color I use, just this one. So I'm going to lock it and hide it. I'm going to start from the background. It's a graded background, gradient, and this fourth one. So I'm going to pick the color from this. First of all, this dark color, and then the second color is going to be the first one, which is this. So this is just the background. I think I'm going to off my data. So this is this. So I'm going to type nice, which is in capital letter. I'm going to increase it, change the font to Obelix Probe. So this is the font I'm going to use. It's going to be like this. So this is just it. So what I'll do is to put the stroke as white, and then the inner color is the same gradient color we use, but not this fourth one. It's going to be the second one. So I'm going to pick the color again, this, and then I'll pick the second color, which is this. So it's just like this. So I'm going to add the 3D to it now. To it, oblique, and it's going to be 2. So I'm going to rotate this to this side, 300, and then add my outer shadow, which is something like this. It's not hard. And then this one is going to be 4. So this is just it. And I'm going to lock this, and then duplicate it, centralize it again, and then increase the stroke. So this is where you really make the stroke big. I want to put it at 45, and then send it to back. Then you position it. Position it with your text. Okay. So this is it. Now you're seeing the shadow we kept in that one. So I'm going to pick the color for the stroke. The color is going to be this first one, and then we're here. So I'll duplicate it, copy, send back, centralize first of all, and then send to back. And then I'll pick the other stroke color. The other stroke color is going to be this last color. So pick it. So I'm going to increase the stroke to 50. Which is this. So I just position it and so the shadow is showing it in both of them. So this is just how to make it 3D. So maybe I'm going to show you how you're going to make a 3D on when you are making your design. When you're making maybe a church flyer, they use 3D mostly in church flyers and maybe in party flyers. So I want you guys to leave comment. I hope you learn new thing from this video. I'm going to save tutorial. Sorry, tutorial video 5. So I'm going to export. Oh, sorry. So I'm just going to stop the video. So do it to subscribe for more.